Hey y'all, it's Charity. This is a preview. We're doing something a little different. This is a preview of your Photoshop Friday. It's already recorded and I'm going to show you what I created. Now I got this shirt from Walmart. It is a workout kind of shirt. It's 92% polyester, if you see that. Yeah, and I got it pretty big so that I could work out in it, obviously, sweat, etc. My motto is nobody sees the size that you are wearing, but they can definitely recognize when your clothes are too small. So I don't feel a way that you saw that because you don't know much about this shirt. Ouch, I just burned myself. Urgh. Just burned myself. Anywho, trying to get this as flat as possible. Full disclosure, I have worn this shirt. Well, put it on once. I popped the tag. That was it. I think I'm gonna put it on a. Let's see. Do I want to put it on the back? No, I'm gonna put it on the front. So this is gonna be a full 13 by 19 kind of situation. I can't wait until you guys, and I would like some feedback on how, like, if you guys are liking Photoshop Friday or not, or you know, anything that you would like to tweak or change. Hopefully eventually I will be able to go live with you guys on here, but I have to get my subs up to do so. Anyway, this is the reveal. This is what I was working on. Familiar. Anyways, I'm gonna press it and then we can chit chat about it. So this is how I do, like everything else. Get a little, just a little something. We'll go through what we can on Friday. So make sure y'all subscribe if you want to catch our Photoshop Friday, so you can see how I made this and make your own. Blah 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 blah. I am using a recycled piece of paper. Let me see. What was it on top of? I don't know. Anywho, not worried about it. This is my shirt. I'm just excited to share with you guys. And now that I'm thinking about it, I hope it's not upside down. Yeah, so this is just a little preview of Photoshop Friday. I can't guarantee I'm going to always be able to do it this way, but I think this is a little bit of an incentive to watch, or motivation, so you will know ahead of time what you are going to do or what's on the agenda. Because being totally honest, I don't have everything mapped out for each day or whatever. Some of the weeks you get 3 videos a week with no particular rhyme or reason. But I'm for sure trying to keep consistent with our Photoshop Friday. Trying to think of a day for Cricut tutorials, and that's super hot. For Cricut tutorials and something else. Yeah, I think Photoshop, Cricut tutorials, because this is sublimation. So yeah, and then we can just pick a Cricut day, because I have been straying away from my Cricut, venturing into new things, but I do realize it's the holiday season. A lot of you have been on COVID and have possibly purchased a new machine with no idea what to do with them. Also, to all my new subscribers, thank you for being here. I truly appreciate your well wishes and feedback. Like, it's really motivating to know that I'm not just wasting my time doing this, because it is a little time consuming trying to map out, you know, time, share tips, and, you know, just share with you guys, because this is so fun. And I know people are charging to teach you things, and that's fine by all means, but that's not my ministry right now. And until then, I will continue to try to help you guys the best way I know how. I'm not a sublimation expert, but I guess it's about to be a year. I guess in October, I have been sublimating for a year. So your progress is about you and what you choose to do. And we got 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see. Also, 92%. Polly. Again, y'all. It's a great shirt. I don't think I've subbed a great shirt before. Honestly. This indention is from my paper. Ooh, I like it. Wow. Gray is not so bad after all. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Yeah, my image could be a little cleaner. I was just so eager and anxious, and it's for me. I love it. And this is, I don't know if you can tell, but in this gold, that's how, when they say sublimation is like a opaque kind of thing, it takes the color that you have under it. You can see your gray. It's still heathered. I have a gold look, but it's still heathered. I love it. I love it. I'll go work out in it. Well, anyways, y'all, thanks for watching. I appreciate y'all for subbing, and let me know what you want to see next. Love you. Bye.